Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to create shapes in Python using variables. First step is to pick the import turtle block from the import section. After that we will be picking blocks from the turtle section. The next will be the turtle block. The next block will be the screen block. Now go to the variables section and create new variables. We will create two variables, sides and colors. Now from the variables section pick up the variable blocks. Pick int block from the statements section. Now pick the input the block and place it in the int block. Now head back to the sides block and insert the int block. Now insert another input block in the colors block. Now we add in the if and else if blocks from the logic section. We will add one if and two else if blocks. Now from the logic section we pick up the equation blocks. Add in the equation blocks inside the if and else if blocks. Insert the colors block in each equation block. Now we add in turtle pen color blocks in each if and else if block. Add in a for loop from the loops section. Add in a sides block inside the for loop. Now we add in the turtle forward blocks from the turtle section and place them in the for loop. We will add in two forward blocks. Now we pick an equation block from the math section. Enter 360 in the first and add in the sides block in the equation. Now toggle the equation to division. Insert this equation inside the second forward block and toggle it to left. Head to the start and edit the input text in the variable blocks. Now specify the colors in each equation and each if-else if block. Perform a final check and if correct, run the code. Enter the number of sides and enter the color. The desired shape starts forming. Similarly, you can use variables to create different designs in Python.